Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to use GoalSeek in Excel to reverse engineer your numbers when you know the final result you want, but don't know the input value needed to get there. This is perfect for determining exactly how many units you need to sell to hit a profit target, or what interest rate you need to afford a monthly loan payment. Crucial requirement: the cell containing your final target must contain a formula that links back directly or indirectly to the input cell you want to change, or the analysis will fail completely. First, click on the cell that contains the formula showing your current unadjusted result. Go up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Data tab. Look inside the Forecast group, click the What If Analysis button and select GoalSeek. A tiny dialog box will pop up containing 3 specific fields that we need to fill out. The first field, Set Cell, will automatically display the formula cell you clicked on earlier. If it's incorrect, click inside the box and click the correct formula cell. Click into the second field, To Value, and type the exact hard-coded number you want that formula to output. For example, type 10,000 if you want your net profit formula to equal 10,000. Click into the third field, By Changing Cell, and click on the blank or adjustable input cell on your spreadsheet, like your units sold or price per unit cell. Click OK. Excel will run a lightning-fast calculation loop, cycling through numbers until it finds the exact value needed to satisfy your target. Forward-thinking tip: when the GoalSeek status box tells you that a solution has been found, look closely at your spreadsheet before clicking anything. If you click OK, Excel permanently overwrites your original input value with the newly calculated number. If you only wanted to test the scenario without losing your original data layout, click Cancel instead. This rejects the calculation loop and immediately restores your initial numbers while keeping your formula structures perfectly intact. And that's it. You've successfully reverse engineered your spreadsheet targets. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.